Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to go over the eFoldi Lite. Now, I really like this folding mobility scooter for a number of reasons. One of them is it's one of the lightest mobility scooters in the industry. So when you remove the battery, it gets down to 33 pounds. And you can even remove the back wheels and it'll get you down to 31 pounds. It's extremely lightweight. It's perfect for someone that likes to travel. It's on the go. It's airline approved. It can support 265 pounds of weight, 10-mile battery range, and it folds unlike anything else that you've probably ever seen in the market. So I'm going to show you some more about it here in just a second.
Hey, we're giving away a free mobility scooter. We actually do this monthly. And if you want to be eligible for that, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then comment on any video. And once you do those two things, you'll be entered to the drawing for our next giveaway. We do announce them on social media. So, what do you have to lose?
eFoldi Lite is really unique. And I'm going to go over some of the features and why I really like this scooter. So it's made of magnesium alloy. So the frame is durable, but it's also really lightweight. Now the controls on this are pretty basic. So you're not getting this really fancy control panel, but it's made for portability and transporting. So it's perfect for that. You probably have seen these at airports, and if you haven't, you're going to see more of them. This is a company that's based in the United Kingdom. Now to turn it on, you press this power button. It's just a button right here. That's how you turn it on. There's a throttle here on the right side. This is how you accelerate. When you let off the throttle, you have electromagnetic brakes which engage automatically when you let off the throttle. This is your forward switch. You can put it in reverse and go backwards. You got a horn button. And that's it really for the controls. So pretty basic. If you are left-handed, we can get the throttle switched to the left side. Just gotta have to let us know that before placing the order, or you can select that on the product page, but easy to do. So basically swap these. This is your battery gauge, very simplistic. There's just 3 bars. Right now it's fully charged, but 1 bar will be disappearing, and then you know it's time to recharge the batteries. Now a new feature that they have, and this is standard, this used to be an upgrade, are these little foot pegs, which is perfect. So we can set your feet on these, and this is great. You can stick your feet out like this, and this is good. So for example, I'm a tall rider, and I'll show you. And if I sit on this, so before these foot pegs were an optional upgrade, but now we just include them on here. So if I didn't have these on here, I would have to sit like this, and you can see it's a little scrunched up. But with these foot pegs, putting them down, this is a lot more comfortable for me, and if you're a taller rider, right? So you can see my legs don't get in the way of the tiller, and very comfortable. You could even be taller than me and be just fine. Now, because it's airline approved, the airline is going to require you to take out the battery to bring it on with you, and then you fold up the scooter and give it to them. So the battery is actually located right here on the floorboard. You just lift up this pad, take it off. This is what you would carry on with you. This is where you would also charge the battery, right here on this charging port. So simple to charge. You don't have to charge it on the scooter. You can just take this out, leave the scooter in your car, and then bring this in your house to charge it. The charger will turn green once it's fully charged. Now this is a high quality lithium battery. You actually can get up to 1,400 charges on this. So this is going to last you a very long time. There's other companies on the market that have lithium batteries, but they're not high quality. This is a high quality lithium battery. So in order to put it back in here, really simple to do. You got these little holes and you line up on these teeth right here. You can just set it in like this. And that's it. So it's hidden, it's out of the way. I like that. Another really great feature is it has a suspension on this, and there's 4 springs on each corner of the seat post. And believe it or not, this actually gives a really nice give when you're going over different types of terrain. And I really like that. Normally suspension's on the wheels. I've never seen it like that before on the seat post, but it actually does a really good job. You can even upgrade to, there's a seat cushion that's made for this. I think it's a must-have. So with the seat cushion combined with this with the spring suspension, it's a really comfortable ride. Like, this scooter has a super smooth ride, and the quality is very good too. It's high quality aluminum alloy. So I'll show you how to fold it. And this is what makes it so unique. Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put these foot pegs up. Next, just fold the seat back down, just like that. On the front of the scooter, you've got your tiller here. You have a little yellow clip. If you press this, it'll fold down just like that. And there's a magnet right here that will secure this into place, just like that. And then once you do that, you can just lift it up, and you'll notice there's a place for the wheel that snaps into place just like that. And this clip right here, this is where you secure the tiller. So you can secure it in this first position, or you can push it all the way in like that. Now this first position, it'll allow you to extend the tiller up just like this. And now you can wheel it behind you when you're going to the airport, a piece of luggage. But if you're giving it to an airline, after you remove the battery, I would have it secured all the way into that second position. And this is what you would give to them. So remember, you have to remove the battery. You can also remove the wheels and make it 31 pounds. So unfolding it, it's also very simple. It takes a couple times to get used to it, but you just pull this little yellow knob right here, and that will release it. So now it's kind of dangling here. You can see how the front tiller is, and you grab the seat back, and that's it. That's how you unfold it. So let's say, for example, we are on we're flying with this. So first thing you're gonna do is remove that battery, bring it on with you. Next, I would just fold it up like I just showed you. Now you got it folded, and if you want to get even lighter, you can see on the wheel, we've got a little button here. Press that, wheel comes right off. On the other side, press this button, wheel comes off. Now this is just 31 pounds. It's extremely lightweight. You can actually, depending on your airline, you need to call your airline first, but I've talked to customers that have actually put this in their overhead compartment. That's how compact this is. So it's really one of the most travel-friendly scooters that you can get right now. So put the wheels back on. They're really easy to get back in. You just insert them and they lock right into place. If you notice, you'll see these two little wheels right here. And this is really just for storage. So you use these wheels, you just kind of lean it forward a little bit and you can wheel it right into a really snug area of like your closet. Turning radius is super tight. This is a really great scooter if you need something to get around your house too. So you can easily make U-turns, get through hallways, and obviously perfect for traveling because it's airline approved. It's very maneuverable and really just an all-around comfortable ride. You can see the give on the suspension here. So a lot of times you'll see like mobility scooter companies say they have a suspension and then the spring doesn't really, it's compressed, so it doesn't really give you that suspension give, but this does, and it's on the seat. On top of that, you got pneumatic air-filled tires, so that helps as well. And because the frame is magnesium alloy, it also has a little bit of give too. So it's strong, but it also has some give as well. So with all three of these combined, it really gives a smooth ride. It's one of the best scooters on the market as far as something that you want to travel with, high quality. It's very innovative. If you have any questions about this folding mobility scooter, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. We can give you a really good deal on this. We work very closely with this company. We're the top dealer in the United States. We sell lots of these, so we know a lot about them. And we'd love to earn your business. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.